Europe, a continent steeped in history and brimming with culture. It's a place where ancient ruins whisper tales of bygone eras and bustling cities pulse with modern life. But amidst these well-trodden paths lies a secret, a land of rugged mountains, pristine beaches, and a captivating history. This is Albania. For years, Albania remained shrouded in mystery, hidden behind a veil of communism, but now this Balkan beauty is emerging as one of Europe's most intriguing destinations. Travelers are discovering its unspoiled landscapes, vibrant cities, and warm hospitality. And the best part, it remains wonderfully affordable. Albania offers a refreshing alternative to the overcrowded tourist hotspots. It's a place where you can still experience the true essence of discovery, a place where every turn reveals a hidden gem waiting to be explored. So pack your bags and prepare to be captivated by Europe's best-kept secret, Albania. Nestled in the heart of the Balkans, Albania boasts a strategic location. It sits on the Adriatic and Ionian Seas, just a stone's throw from Greece and Italy. This unique position has shaped its history. The land bears the marks of ancient Greeks, Romans, Ottomans, and more. It's a fascinating tapestry woven with diverse influences. Imagine walking through ancient ruins that date back to the Roman Empire. Picture yourself exploring medieval castles perched atop rugged mountains. This is the magic of Albania. Its landscape is dotted with reminders of its rich past. But Albania is not just about history. Its natural beauty is equally captivating. Towering mountains plunge into crystal-clear waters. Secluded beaches beckon with their unspoiled charm. And everywhere you go, the warmth of the Albanian people shines through. The Albanians have a saying, Besa. It means faith or promise. It's a sacred code of honor that's deeply ingrained in their culture. It speaks to their unwavering hospitality, their loyalty to friends and family, and their respect for tradition. You'll feel this spirit of Besa everywhere you go in Albania. From the warm welcome you receive at a local guest house to the genuine smiles exchanged on the street. It's a refreshing change from the impersonal nature of many tourist destinations. Beyond Besa, Albania has a unique culture shaped by its turbulent past. The country endured decades of communist rule, leaving behind a legacy of resilience and resourcefulness. Today, you can still find remnants of this era, such as the iconic bunkers that dot the landscape. Our journey begins in Tirana, the vibrant capital city. Tirana is a fascinating blend of old and new. Here, communist-era architecture stands alongside modern buildings. Bustling markets offer a glimpse into local life, while trendy cafes buzz with energy. No trip to Tirana is complete without a visit to Skanderbeg Square. This central plaza is the heart of the city. It's named after Albania's national hero Skanderbeg, who famously resisted the Ottoman Empire in the 15th century. Around the square, you'll find a mix of historical and cultural landmarks. The Itham Bey Mosque is a stunning example of Ottoman architecture. The National Historical Museum offers a comprehensive look at Albania's past. And for a taste of local life, take a stroll through the Pazari Iri, a bustling market where you can find everything from fresh produce to traditional handicrafts. Venturing south from Tirana, we journey back in time to two of Albania's most enchanting cities, Gjirokaster and Berat. These UNESCO World Heritage Sites are renowned for their well-preserved Ottoman architecture, offering a glimpse into a bygone era. Gjirokaster, perched on a hillside, is known as the City of Stone. Its cobblestone streets wind past towering stone houses with distinctive wooden balconies. The city's crown jewel is the Gjirokaster Castle, a formidable fortress that offers panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. Berat, known as the City of 1,000 Windows, is equally captivating. Its white Ottoman houses cascade down a hillside towards the Osum River, creating a picture-perfect scene. Explore the ancient Berat Castle. Wander through the historic Mangalam and Gorica neighborhoods and soak up the city's unique atmosphere. Prepare to be dazzled by the Albanian Riviera, a stunning stretch of coastline that rivals the beauty of its more famous neighbors. Here, the turquoise waters of the Ionian Sea meet rugged mountains, creating a dramatic and unforgettable landscape. Start your Riviera adventure in Sarandod, a lively coastal town with a picturesque waterfront. Relax on the sandy beaches, indulge in fresh seafood at a waterfront restaurant, and soak up the Mediterranean vibes. For a more secluded escape, head to Himare, a charming village known for its traditional stone houses and olive groves. Explore hidden coves, swim in crystal clear waters, and enjoy the tranquility of this coastal paradise.